So, the first hunk joining the fashion show in the grand finals is hunk number 2, Rio Lozano. Congratulations, Rio. Fortunately, you are the one and only hunk who's moving on to the grand finals. Maraming salamat. Congratulations pa rin sa'yo. Okay, thank you. Okay. So this time around, we have multiple babes na makikita natin. So once your name is called, kindly move on and congratulations. We'll see you again next week. Congratulations to babe number? In no apparent order, babe number 3, Jasmine Smith. We'll see you again. Jasmine. Is babe number. Ano? Ay, tawagin ko na. Babe number 5, Ashley Santiago. Joining Jasmine and Ashley is babe number 2, Cristel Villas. Hardest part for me as well because I'll be calling only one babe na magbububuhat sa grand finals into the fashion show. So hindi matatawag, congratulations pa rin sa'yo. We hope you good luck. The last babe moving on to the grand finals is babe number 1, Vanna Valencia. We'll see you guys again here at Isitan Sarama Complex.